This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed colors. Let's start with the fundamentals of color theory. Primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, are the building blocks for all other colors. By understanding how these three foundational colors interact, you can unlock a vast palette. We'll explore simple combinations to create secondary colors and then move on to more complex shades, giving you the confidence to mix any color you desire. Now, let's dive into creating secondary colors. When you mix equal parts of two primary colors, you get a secondary color. For instance, combining red and yellow will give you a vibrant orange. Mixing blue and yellow yields a fresh green. And finally, blending red and blue produces a rich purple. These three secondary colors form the next layer of your color mixing journey. Moving beyond secondary colors, we can create tertiary colors by mixing a primary color with an adjacent secondary color. For example, yellow-orange or blue-green. To further expand your palette, you can adjust the lightness or darkness of any color. Adding white creates a tint, making the color lighter and softer. Conversely, adding black creates a shade, making the color deeper and more intense. Here are some practical tips for successful color mixing. Always start with small amounts of paint, adding more gradually until you achieve your desired hue. Use a clean palette knife or brush for each color to prevent accidental contamination. Before applying your mixed color to your main project, always test it on a scrap piece to ensure it's exactly what you envisioned. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.